Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pancakes using your air fryer. First, gather your preferred pancake mix and any additional ingredients like milk and eggs. Next, line your air fryer basket with parchment paper or a silicone liner to prevent sticking and make cleanup easy. Finally, preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes, ensuring even cooking from the start. This simple preparation sets you up for perfect pancakes. Now, let's get that batter ready. Mix your pancake batter following the instructions on the package, aiming for a smooth consistency with just a few small lumps. Avoid overmixing, as this can lead to tough pancakes. Once your batter is perfectly mixed, carefully pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake directly into your preheated air fryer basket. Leave some space between each pancake for even cooking. It's time to cook. Place your batter-filled basket into the preheated air fryer. Cook the pancakes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 8 minutes. Remember to flip each pancake halfway through the cooking time to ensure both sides are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Look for a fluffy texture and a nice rise, indicating they are perfectly done. Adjust cooking times slightly based on your air fryer model. Your air fryer pancakes are now ready to enjoy. Carefully remove them from the basket and serve immediately with your favorite toppings. Whether you prefer classic maple syrup, fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or even chocolate chips, these pancakes are a delicious treat. For an effortless cleanup after breakfast, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing robot vacuum, along with other great deals, in the description below. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.